In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Docs. If you've been trying to figure this out, you're in the right place. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials and tech tips. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Docs either on your computer or mobile device. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new document by simply clicking that plus icon. However, if you already have a document you want to organize, go ahead and open it up. Once you have your document open, it's a good idea to rename it to something easily recognizable. This will help you in the future when you're searching for it among your other files. Now, with your document ready and named, let's add something to it. Just type anything you like. This step helps to ensure that all changes are saved as you continue. Once you've got some text in your document, direct your attention to the top of your screen. If you're using a desktop, you'll want to find and click on the Move icon. If you're on the mobile app, it's slightly different. You'll need to tap the three dots located in the upper right corner and then select Move from the menu that appears. Once you do this, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can decide where you'd like to store your document. You can either click on My Drive or choose All Locations to access your Google Drive. Now here's where we create that new folder. Look towards the bottom of this window and you'll see an option to create a new folder. Go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to give your new folder a name. Choose something that will help you recognize what it contains, and then hit Create. With your folder created, you're ready for the last step. Simply press Move to relocate your Google Docs file into this newly created folder. It's as easy as that. It's important to remember that your new folder is stored in Google Drive, not just within Google Docs itself. So, if you want to view it later, open Google Drive, navigate to My Drive, and then select your folder. Once inside, you can access and edit your document anytime you need to. And that's it. You've just created a folder in Google Docs. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more Google Docs and tech tutorials. And don't miss the videos popping up on the screen. We think you'll find them super useful.